Hi, this is a brief overview on how to create and edit email and text automation messages. Click on your username, Settings, and Email and Text Automation under the communication card. This takes you to the chores page, which shows you the email and text automation. These are broken down into groups. So as you see here, the first group by default is scheduling and rescheduling. You can also add chore groups. You can edit these completely. You can delete them. To delete a group, you will delete all of the chores in the group and then delete the group. To add a new chore group, you would do so here. Looking at existing implementations, you can click on your chore group and scroll through a list of chores. On the front of the cards here, you will see that each chore has a name, so client appointment confirmation, and then tells you the parameters for this chore. So 0 minutes after the appointment is scheduled on all workspaces, send an email to the client. And then it shows you the subject. So you can click on this to open it up and view the details. We're seeing the same thing here, 0 minutes after appointment is scheduled. Now you can choose many triggering types, allowing full customization over your email and text automation. You also have additional parameters here. Only trigger once, send even when notifications is disabled, send during certain hours only, or do not send on weekends. Click Next to add rules. To show you what this looks like, you can set rules that will be applied to this trigger. So for this instance, it would say has agreement signed or has not agreement signed, and then you have additional options here, including services. So this will allow you to send out upsell emails or text messages. Let's just say a client has not scheduled the air quality test. Then you can schedule a notification to go out to this client and build an email that sells your service. For now, we are going to skip this part and go to Next to choose Action. Always set a name. It helps you to identify your message later because you could have variations as well. You want to choose your action, send email, send text, or call webhook. Call webhooks allows you to send webhooks to third-party services. And then add details. This would be the same thing if you selected send text message. It would allow you to select the contact or the role that you're sending this email to. In this case, it is the client. You can have multiple roles selected here. You can choose from company or from user. This sends the email, in this case, to the client from the company. So it shows the company name and company email address. If you select the user, it will show the username and user email address. You can set your subject and then, of course, the content of the message. You have placeholders here to the right, which you can see in these brackets. These are the placeholders that show up. So as you can see here, there are many possibilities for sending out messages, emails, and text messages, and choosing a trigger, adding rules, selecting the action, and then of course adding the details. Thank you. Please reach out to support@managebee.com for any questions.